Thank you, Dinesh. Sri Lanka motor racing has some really good drivers. SLGT cars up to 3,500cc. First race, second race, and third race. What's this, Mahen Madugalla?
Well, I think there are so many entries that they decided they'll run race 1 and race 2. Now, race 1, this one is race 1. Now, these are the timings of even numbers for the first 6. And then second race will be again uneven numbers. The grid will be on the timings they did. Even numbers is race 1, uneven numbers is race 2. What they'll do is the winners of this 6 each will run the final race. Now these will have only trophies, no championship points. The final race of 6 each ultimately will be for the national championship points. Now that's how it's going to happen today.
The simple story is some fantastic racing over 3 races. And this is SLGT cars up to 3,500cc.
Yeah.
There's power, there's a skill, there's commitment, there's plenty of thrills.
Yes.
I only hope there won't be crashes.
Well, these are very powerful cars. Some of you, the viewers who are watching this, these cars throw about a 275 to about a 325 bhp. Very powerful, 4-wheel drive, fully turbocharged. Very, very powerful. You can hear the noise. That's the anti-lag working. Engines are being revved. We should have a race any moment from now.
වඩරනාතේ සුපිරි තරගයේ මෙන්න ආරම්භය වඩනහයකින් සමන්විත 3500cc වන්නේ ලංකාවේ ප්‍රමුඛ පෙළේ සියලුම තරගකරුවන්ගේ නියෝජනය අති විශාල තරගකරුවන් පිරිසක් මේ තරගයේ සම නියෝජනය කිරීමට සූදානම් මේ නිසා වඩනහක් සිටයි අධිර තුරකින් සිටයි මෙහි සමස්ත ප්‍රතිඵලය ගණනය කරන්නට බලමු මෙන්න පළමු තරග වටේ දුහුවිලි බලාවෙන් වැසී යනවා මේ වන විට ෆොක්සිල් ධාවන පතය ඒ තරමටම මේ තරගයේ තියුණු බලමු කුමකින් කුමක් සිදු වෙන්නේ.
I think Pasindu Piris has got in front. A fantastic start by Pasindu Piris, followed by Ishraq Wahab and Naren Kumar from India. So Naren Kumar is I think line third place from India.
අවිශ්වාස කරන මේ වෙනට ඩිලාන් සිල්වරත් යුතු ඉදිරියට මුල් පොක්කට පැමිණ තිබෙන කාල ගණන තුන් වෙනි අවශ්‍යන් සිටි. කාල හෙට්ටිආරච්චිමත් සමග
දිනේස අද දිනේදී මේ තරගයේ සුවිශේෂයක් දෙයක් අපිට කියන්නට පුළුවන්. වෙනදාට තරග දෙකක් තමයි පැවැත්වෙන්නේ. මේ වර්ෂයේදී තරග 3ක් පැවැත්වෙන අවසන් මහා තරගය ඇටියට තමයි තරගයේ සූරතාවේ හිමිවන්නේ ස්ටේට් සාඩා සූරතා කුසලානි. තරග ආරම්භයේදී තුන්වෙනි ස්ථානයේ සිටි ඩිලාන් සෙනෙවිරත්න සමත් වෙන ප්‍රථම වංගු පසු කිරීමේදී ඉදිරියට යන්නට දිනේස
Dilan Seneviratna, Dinesh Jayawardene and Irshaq Wahab, 3 very experienced names, Mahen. What has happened to the rest?
Well, they are in a cloud of dust. Visibility is a big problem here, especially on these 4-wheel drive machines. All 4 wheels have power. They've thrown a lot of dust. So visibility is a problem if you are running both of you. But in the meantime, some of them space themselves out. And like we mentioned earlier, it's only trophies here. Final race will be winner the first 6 and 6 of the other one will go into the final race.
Still, it's very important that you got to the first 6 here and probably better timing and better placements. This is motor racing at its best, and the first event for the Sriat Slada calendar at Foxhill should give our spectators something to cheer for.
Dilan Seneviratna, Ishraq Wahab and Narenko. Ishraq Wahab has got coming up the hill. He's got past Dilan Seneviratna. So Dilan Seneviratna has to let go for Ishraq Wahab to get through on him. Okay, Ishraq Wahab has got through in front of Dilan Seneviratna. So Dilan relegated to second place. Naren Kumar now breathing down in the exhaust pipes of Dilan Seneviratna.
Oh, I like Naren Kumar here, the way he is handling his car. He's swinging around. That's what you expect for the layman. That's what you want to see, how well you enjoy. He's clearing the dust cloud. He's creating one for the rest of the field.
Well, not creating, but he's just what you call power slides. You know, you keep the power down and you find the fishtail, what you call it.
Really?
Well, fishtailing, that's a lot of power in that car. That's how it fishtails, and you just keep your foot down. You take your foot off, you spin out.
Take control.
Ishraq Wahab has increased his lead. So he was running well yesterday, so he's running well today. So he's got back into the lead. Had a very poor start, was almost I think to 4th or 5th place, but he's back on the top podium finish.
This is a great stuff. This is what you want to see. You want to see the adrenaline really come up People come to see the power, how well you handle it, and how well you make it colorful. You can see all that here.
ඉස්රාක් වහපු ඉදිරියෙන් ඩිලාන් සෙනවිරත්න දෙවන බවට පත් කළා. නිමේෂයකදී එක් තත්පරයකදී සියල්ල වෙනස් කරන්නට ඔහුට හැකියාව ලැබෙනවා. නරින් මේ පසුපසින් මේ තිදෙනා අතරේ දැන් සමස්ත ප්‍රවෘත්තිය නිර්මාණය වන්නේ ක්‍රමක්‍රමයෙන් වහප් තමන්ගේ පරතරය වැඩි කර ගන්නවා. ඩිලාන් සෙනවිරත්න පසුපසට කරමින් දුහුවිලි මනාවෙන් වැසී යනවා මේ වන විට සමස්ත ධාවන පතේම ඒ තරමටම ආදි ප්‍රවේගකාරී තරගයක් වශයෙන් නම් කරන්න දෙන්නට පුළුවන්. සාමාන්‍ය ගණනය කිරීම අනුව පැයට කිලෝමීටර් 160කට වඩා වැඩි වේගයක් මේ ආසියුරු ධාවන පතේ එක ළඟින් එක ආසන්නයේ රැඳින වාහන පෙළක් ඒ සමගම මේ වේගයේ ඒ සියල්ලම මකාලන දූවිලි බලාම සියල්ල මැදින් තරග කළ යුතු තරග ධාවනය.
19 kilometers of absolute racing on the 10 laps here. What would be the average speed by it?
Well, they must be about 120, 30. Down the stretch, they are getting about 240, 250 kilometers per hour. Mind you, on gravel. You got very, very skillful to handle a machine of this nature on a surface like this. You as you go into the Pine Hill corner, it's very slippery. You virtually going left, going right, keep your foot down, go down to the gearbox, change down, keep your revs up, power down. It's a little bit of build up downhill when you go. Blind spot there, exactly. Blind spot, and then you go down the hill, you're virtually kissing that bank when you at high speed, maybe going on 120, 130 kilometers per hour. Third gear, down to second, and up the hill again. That's where there's Ishraaq Wahab coming up the hill.
He took about 10 seconds to say that.
Oh,
but,
that's a bad accident.
Naren Kumar, Dylan.
Oh, he's toppled that car. My God,
That's hammering at about 150 kilometers an hour.
yes.
He lost control.
No, he didn't lose control.
No. What I'm trying to say is
Dylan lost control and Naren Kumar hit him.
Hit him, and he's very happy to be around there.
He's just coming off.
He's just coming off.
He's coming out of that car.
I prayed that there should not be any accident,
That
because
was very bad accident.
that could have
The
been
race-
fatal, I'll tell you.
The race is being stopped.
Yes.
The race is being stopped. Lot of dust. Bad accident. Just bad luck. Dylan Siriratna hit the bank.
නොසිතුවන් පුරක් මේ තමයි මේ ක්‍රීඩාවේ සිදුවිය හැකි දේ බොහෝ විට මේ නිසා තරගයේ මාධ්‍යකට අනුරාධ දක්නට ලැබෙන්නේ ඉතාමත්ම බරපතල කණේ ආන්තරකට ලක්වුණු ආකාරය ප්‍රධාන පතෙන් දිස්ත්‍රික්කයේ අතුරු මාර්ගයට යොමු වුණ රථය.
He took about 4 tumbles before it just landed, and then there was no control on the car. Naren Kumar is
Naren
okay.
walking off. He's okay. He's okay. From India. In fact, talking of Naren, he's done a lot of rallying also in Europe. He's been driving about 3 seasons of rallying in Europe. So he's a lot of experience, just bad luck. Dylan lost it, hit the bank, and Naren didn't have any chance of avoiding it. He just...
And they would have been traveling
There you are.
150.
Something
See what's
much-
happening. He's already started slipping.
And he
Came
comes
right back. I mean,
No, nothing that Naren can do. Nothing that he can do. Just
1, 2, 3.
back on wheels. A lot of damage. It's okay.
It's okay. Take a look at this.
මෙන්න නැවත වතාවක් කොට දකින්නට පුළුවන්. ඩිලාන් සිනිවිරත්න ඉදිරියෙන් පැමිණෙනවා.
Boy,
ඔවුන්ට
1, 2. That's real
බැරිද?
time.
ඉන් අනතුරුව තමයි පසුපසින් පැමිණි නරෙන් කුමාරටත් කිසිවක් කරගන්නට හැකියාවක් නැහැ. තප්පරයක්වත් නැහැ. එයින් දශමයක්වත් නැහැ. සියල්ල සිදුවී හමාරයි. හැරි බලන විට.
We are trying to show you the accident in real time. This car really got the full force. Not his fault, Naren Kumar from India. He was in third place, following Dylan Senivaratna on that occasion. Real time action replay. Bang! To think that this is dangerous is an understatement. To say that he will come off like this, scot-free, well, that's good luck. We'll take a break from the Athalava.